How to add Apple stock on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add Apple stock on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Click on it. Once you tap on plus icon, now search for Apple stock. To add your Apple stock on Watchlist, just simply click on plus icon over here. Once you click on plus, your Apple stock will be added on Watchlist. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add Apple stock on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.